draw and color a super fun beach scene. Wow! So, let's get started. First, I'll start with the coconut tree. I started with 3 coconuts. Now I'll draw the tree trunk coming down, nice and tall. And finally, the big leafy palm leaves going out like a fan. Wow, doesn't that look great? I love how coconut trees make us feel like we're really at the beach. Next, I'll draw a cute sandcastle in front. I'm making it with 3 towers. Beside the castle, I'll draw a small shovel because we need something to dig the sand, right? And beside the shovel, let's draw a colorful ball. It's a beach ball ready to play with. Time to add a sailing boat on the water. I'll draw a triangle for the sail and a curve for the boat base. Let's now draw the water line behind the boat. And finally, I'll draw 2 mountains in the background. It's time to color our drawing. I'll start with the coconut tree again. First, color the coconuts brown, then the trunk with dark brown, and the leaves nice and green. Looks just like real sand! Take your time. Color inside the lines. Give texture of sand. Color the beach ball. Let's make it colorful. Yellow, orange, pink, and green. Then I'll color the shovel bright red. It really pops! Let's move on to the boat. I'll use brown for the boat base and pink and orange for the sails. bright blue. It's such a beautiful day at the sea. Now it's time to draw the sun in the sky. I'll draw a bright yellow sun with sun rays shining. Let's add 3 fluffy clouds. I'll outline them with blue. Finally, I'll draw some flying birds in the sky with small black lines. Tweet, tweet! And it's done! Bye, friends! Let's meet in the next video! And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.